Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Deepseek Coder. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your app store, tap on the search icon on the bottom right, and then on the search bar type in Deepseek and then search for it. Look for the icon like this and then tap on it, and now tap on the get button or install button if you are using an Android, and then follow the on-screen prompts to successfully download the app. Now once you have downloaded the app, what you need to do is tap on open, and then Deepseek is an open source series of code language models designed to assist with code generation and understanding. These models are trained on a substantial data set comprising both code and natural language. So to effectively utilize Deepseek Coder, what you need to do is access the model, then set up your environment, and then load the model and experiment and integrate. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.